Hi folks, my name is Matt Preston and welcome to International Political Economy. This is a lecture series that will explain the international economy in a global and a historical context. So the course covers from mercantilism and the very start of what could be called international trade and moving towards the completely integrated global economy we have today. And we'll end with some lecture about the pandemic, possible pandemic effects, and the dramatic effect that that's had on global trade. This is the course overview, so 10 lectures. So normally, if we were face-to-face in a university setting where I normally give this lecture, the first lecture is full of admin and what the assessment expectations are and how to write an essay and things like that. So I don't need that for a YouTube upload. Also, the first lecture in this series, or any series, I like to sort of set out the case for why you should be studying this course, right? Like why this is important. For this lecture, I had lots of video clips and from the Matrix and lots of different things, but YouTube gives me lots of trouble with intellectual property laws and has blocked this first lecture several times. So I'm just going to run with this lecture overview plan, and the course will step you through and give you a really good understanding of the historical evolution of the global economy and the different historical shocks and the different economic theories that have ruled our world and continue to do so, and the great debates and that are still unfolding and being fought right now, and will continue to do so. So this course, even though it's a historical look at economics, is extremely important for current debates to understand what's come before. So this course will give you a very good understanding of the current political debates here and around the world. So I hope you enjoy this course. I've really enjoyed putting it together for you. I'll see you in the next lecture.